All right, guys, we back. We got a 1969 Cadillac DeVille convertible. This one is a project. She needs paint and body, a little love in the interior, but she has overall great potential. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid. She has the 472 cubic inch 7.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Let's check her out. As y'all can see, she got a set of wide wipes. And it is build season. So you can throw her in the paint shop, get the interior done, and be ready for the spring. And if you're a paint and body guy, it's really a no-brainer. All you'll be into her to get her fixed up is the materials. You can do the work yourself. Have you a nice ride with one of the best Cadillac engines ever produced, in my opinion. I got y'all close-ups of all the problem areas I seen. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams in the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she has great potential. Trunk nice and clean. Let's check out the interior. She has power windows and power locks. Has opportunity at the lower door card on the driver's side. Minor rip in the driver's headrest. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out the dash. Mileage reads a little over 83,000. Let's take a look underneath. And she can use a little love in the interior, guys. Lower dash. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is. The 472 cubic inch 7.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rotormuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. It'll be a great project for you guys. She's running nice and smooth. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.